Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. And today we have some more Gran Turismo Sport, and this time we have the GT by Citroën Race car at Alsace Village racetrack. So this is a 10-minute endurance race. So we're at 16th place, make that 15th place. I don't know what chance is, but we're coming down to it anyway. So right, it's Renault RS1 GT3. I was gonna say is ahead, but I've just gone around the outside. So this is pretty funny. Right, can we go around the outside of this Supra? Yes. Like, cause this is a French car on a French track. I guess it's doing better. As you may have noticed, it isn't the standard livery. It's a livery that I found from this guy. I don't know who he is, but he's a guy who made this livery. So, can we go around the outside of this? Oh, I can't talk quick enough. Because like it's just like ridiculous. Right, can we catch up to the Toyota FD1 Vision Gran Turismo? Yes. Right. Can we go up the inside? Coming into turn 1? No. Can we go around the outside? No, a bit of contact actually. Right, we're just gonna go on the inside of this Audi. And we have another GT by Citroën race car with the standard livery. And he's gonna try and push me wide, but I'm having none of it. And I'm gonna go around the outside. Yes. No. Side by side. Right, okay. That was pretty easy, so I've actually moved my Nintendo Switch dock from, it used to be in there, but now it's over there, so I just did it just because it's easier, because you know I've like all this to bang switch, but up the inside of the Ferrari 458, and actually there's more room, up the inside of the Nissan GTR, not the cleanest move. Actually, no, it's not straight. Make it more straight, because it is pretty much stretching the cables to the absolute limit. It's a bit annoying the cables aren't longer. I would rather have a long cable than a short cable. Like, I would rather pay more money for a longer cable than pay less for a shorter cable. Because then you have extra cable just in case you need it. And especially if you move it to somewhere different, then you can do that. But we're just sat here in P3. Nothing's really going on. Actually, no, I'm kind of catching the BMW M6s. But I am thinking of getting another AC adapter because if I get the Nintendo Switch Pro controller, then every single time that I want to charge the controller, I'm going to have to take the AC adapter out of the system, of the dock thing, and then I'm not going to be able to charge the Switch. And when I need to charge the Switch, when we go out and about, then I'm going to be able to just plonk it right in, and then, like, I don't have to, because every single time I go out, I've got to unplug it from the thing, and it gets, I mean, it sounds fine, but after doing it, like, several times, it does get a bit annoying. And plus, there's this hole down here that I've got to push it through, and like I have to keep pushing it through, and it gets annoying. But we have caught up with the BMW M6, going up the inside there. So we are catching first place. And actually I've had a bit of an accident, so now I've got and the tyres as well are not having the best of days. But the Pro controller is said to be one of the best controllers that Nintendo have ever made, so I am really thinking of getting it. I'm also thinking of getting a WRC8 and the FIA Truck Racing Championship game, both for Nintendo Switch. But this is all for Christmas, so you guys are going to be waiting a while. But Christmas will fly around, hopefully. Because, like, you can watch my content until Christmas, and then that will keep you entertained, hopefully. And it will also keep me entertained because I get to do what I want to do, which is gaming, and you get to watch it. So, I've actually stuck the fuel mix on lean revs, because I've only got. No, actually, I don't really need to do that. Actually, I can burn the 0.7 laps that I've got extra, but well, I don't know. I'm not really concerned about getting the win. That is just out of reach for me, really. But third place is looking pretty nice. So there's a minute to go. But I think that that was gonna matter. Oh no, I'm on the grass, and I've spun. Oh my goodness! And I'm now in 5th, still top 5, but I would like a top 3. So I'm gonna try and get it back. The Huracan GT3 is looking to be under danger. Can we go up the inside? Yes, actually we can. Can we? I don't think we'll be able to get the Nissan GTR. Oh, understeer. and contact with the wall. 2 corners left. Actually, it's kind of like a chicane. Right. No, the tyres. Yeah, no, I'm not going to be able to get 3rd place, but 4th place. Now, I would have got 3rd if the tyres had been in a good shape, but I couldn't, like, get them replaced. But that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, wait, no, there's a helicopter. But yeah, bye.